welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to collect and test the tap water sample. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Qeysilla Ayudia Ramadani. I'm from the Laboratory Testing Analyst Program. Tap water sampling means taking water directly from a faucet to check its quality. This is important to know if the water is clean, safe, and suitable for daily use. Accurate testing always begins with correct sampling. Before we start to do practice, let's prepare the tools and materials. At first, we need a sample bottle. We have aluminum foil 10 by 10 centimeters. We need raffia string. We have scissors. We have tongs and a tray. We need a beaker glass. We have napkin and tissue. We need a stationery and label paper. We have pH meter. We need a TDS meter. And then the last one in the tools is we need an oven. For the chemicals, we need distilled water, and we have 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate. Lastly, we need 2 and sulfuric acid. Now that we have all the tools and materials ready, let's proceed to the procedure. First, wash your hands with running water. Then, wear PPE such as gloves and a lab coat. Next, rinse the bottle with tap water. Then, swirl and clean the bottle 2 to 3 times. After that, rinse again with distilled water while shaking the bottle. Now, add 4 drops of 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate into the bottle. Don't forget to put a label paper on the bottle. Make sure it already has a label with source of water, date and time of sampling, location, weather condition, preservative added, and sampler's name. Close the bottle tightly and cover the cap with aluminum foil. And then tie it with raffia string. Finally, sterilize the bottle in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. That's the preparation stage. Now, let's move on the second part. First, take the sterilized bottle out of the oven using tongs and a tray. After that, wipe the tap surface with tissue. Open the tap and let water flow at maximum for 5 seconds. Then, sterilize the tap. For metal taps, sterilize with fire. Next, remove the foil and open the sample bottle. Fill the bottle with tap water until 3/4 full. Now, add 2 to 3 drops of 2 and sulfuric acid as a preservative. Finally, close the bottle tightly again and tie with raffia string. Great! Now, the sample is ready for testing. Let's test the water sample directly. First, use the pH meter to measure the pH of the water sample. Next, Use the TDS method to measure the temperature and TDS value of the water sample. Finally, write down our result in the job sheet. Perform the test in duplicate for accuracy. And that is how to collect and test a tap water sample properly. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.